We are making crustless quiche. Begin by putting 5 or 6 slices of bacon on a baking sheet and bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. In a skillet, add oil and mushrooms and saute the mushrooms until soft and brown. Add 6 eggs, a half a cup of milk, and a half a cup of egg whites to a mixing bowl and beat on low for a couple of minutes, and then turn the mixer to medium and beat until light and fluffy, about 3 minutes. Chop the bacon and add to the egg mixture. Mix in 1½ cups of cheese and the mushrooms. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Using a spatula, make sure you mix it really well. Dip a brush in the baking drippings and spread inside of each cup of a cupcake tin. Pour the mixture into each cup, filling about 3/4 of the way full. Place the cupcake tin on a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 17 minutes or until a knife inserted comes out clean. Pair with some fruit and serve right away or store them for a grab-and-go breakfast. Reheat them in the microwave for about 90 seconds.